Return of tourism means big business for Central Florida. West 2 News has learned that some major local venues may be in line for millions of new tax dollars.
Tourist taxes are rolling in at a record pace and cash reserves are flush. In a West 2 Investigates exclusive, Greg Fox shows us the ambitious plans in the works to go after that money.
Just a year ago, the Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts opened its third and what many may have thought was its final entertainment stage, a 1,700-seat multi-form theater.
Welcome to the new and improved Dr. Phillips Performing Arts Center here in Orlando.
Arts and culture are the soul of our city.
But the property is far from finished, with plenty of space left to grow. The center is planning to apply for some of the excess money that's being generated by the 6 penny or 6% tax on hotels and motels that have paid for popular local venues like the Amway Center. With a record $336 million collected last year, far above the prior collection record of $284 million in 2019, a task force will begin reviewing new ways to spend the money this month. A Dr. Phillips spokesperson confirms the center will be applying for TDT money, adding, "We are in the process of redesigning the master plan and completing the full 9-acre campus, which includes the addition of new performance venues in the front parcel of the venue. We are considering a residential tower on the back of the property and maybe a hotel, but those plans are under review and will be shared when the master plan redesign process is complete." Another venue that could be in line for a big chunk of TDT dollars is Camping World Stadium, now nearly a decade removed from its last major upgrade. Already sought after as a top stadium for bowl games and concerts, and now home to the XFL's Orlando Guardians. Sources tell us Florida Citrus Sports may go after those tax dollars to add a partial roof, similar to the one at Hard Rock Stadium in Miami. It cost $350 million in 2015 and was considered a critical addition in making Hard Rock Super Bowl worthy and a top college bowl destination. So far, FCS is not commenting. A third venue likely seeking tourist tax dollars is the Orange County Convention Center. The mayor delayed in 2020 a planned $605 million expansion of the north-south building due to the pandemic economic downturn. But with collections at record levels, the plan to add 200,000 square feet to the nation's third largest convention center will likely be revived. A spokesperson tells us, quote, "We are still evaluating options and no decision has been made." In Orange County, Greg Fox, West 2 News.
Florida Citrus Sports CEO Steve Hogan says in a statement, "We've been focused on the stadium reconstruction vision and the fight for Orlando's slice of the global events market since 2006. Now that the TDT has recovered and reached record collections, we're excited to potentially have a chance to finish the job in a way that keeps Orlando competitive for decades to come." The mayor's new Tourist Development Tax Citizen Advisory Task Force will meet for the first time March 22nd and will deliver a final report to county commissioners in July.